Right, welcome to my tutorial on how to make a stickman. We're going to be using a piece of software called Macromedia Studio 8. If you can just go into the Start menu, click on All Programs, then scroll down until you find Macromedia Studio 8, then find the program called Flash Professional 8.0 and click on it. It takes a few seconds to open. When you get this screen, you need to create a new Flash document. Right, so now we've got the Flash document. I'm just going to make my screen a little bit smaller so I can see the whole canvas on here. That way, hopefully, I can see, there you go, I can see the whole of that canvas now. It's not blocked out by the toolbar. So the first thing we're going to do is create a layer called Stickman. So I'm going to call this Stickman, hit return. So that's our first layer done. Now we're going to draw the actual stickman, and we're going to do that using the brush tool. The brush tool is here. Click on the brush tool, scroll down to the colour we want. So I'm going to do my stickman in that green, and then a bit lower down, this is where we select how thick we want the brush size to be. So I'm going to go for quite a small brush size. Now I'm just going to draw my stickman. So that's my stickman. It's very simple, but that will do for now. So what I'm going to do next is here in the timeline, in frame number 5, I'm going to right click and insert a blank keyframe. Right, as you can see, the stickman has disappeared. We want to be able to draw the stickman going across the scene. So if you click on the one where it says onion skin outlines, and there we can see where we drew the original stickman. So now we're in frame 5. I'm now going to draw my stickman a bit further along. So if you're really good, you can try and make him look like his legs are moving, so he's actually walking, and maybe just change slightly the position of his arms, because your arms do change when you're walking. Now I'm going to repeat that. I'm going to go to frame 10 and again insert another blank keyframe, and as you can see with the onion skin effect, you can see the previous stickman. I'm going to go to frame 15, insert another blank keyframe. And I'm going to go to frame 20, do the same again, insert a blank keyframe, and again I can see the previous stickman. Frame 25, insert a blank keyframe. And we'll go for frame 30, we'll do this as the last one. And we'll say that's the end of the animation. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to press the enter key, and hopefully we see the stickman go across the screen. And there we have an animation of our stickman going across the screen. We hope you found that useful. Thank you very much for watching.